In this video, I will give you a quick overview of my project. Timetables are structured schedules that outline specific times for events like lectures or meetings. They are essential for managing time and resources efficiently in any academic setting. However, creating these timetables manually can be a challenging task. Traditional methods such as using a spreadsheet are not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Now, this is where an optimized scheduling system becomes necessary. Now, for my project, I built a software that will automate and assist in the process of creating a lecture timetable. I built this software using React.js, a popular library known for creating dynamic and interactive user interface. The design is simple and straightforward, making it easy for users to generate timetables with ease. Now, let's see how it works. So right here, you will see the instructions. A user starts by adding a list of venues. A user can edit or delete. Can now proceed to adding a list of lecturers. Can add, edit, and delete. Next, let's add a list of courses. The user enters the course code, selects the credit units of that particular course, enters the course title, and then selects a lecturer which is coming from the list of the lecturers that we added earlier. So the user can select multiple lecturers by holding down the control key. Next, we'll select the level. Same with venues and lecturers. The user can edit, can delete courses, and as you can see, the courses are classified according to the level to which they belong to. So once we are done adding all the necessary details, so we have our list of venues, our list of lecturers, then our list of courses. Once we are done adding all the necessary details, all we need to do is click on generate. As you can see, this is the timetable that the system automatically generates. The software uses a genetic algorithm to generate the timetable. But what exactly is a genetic algorithm? A genetic algorithm is an optimization technique inspired by the process of natural selection. It works by generating a population of possible solutions to a problem, then repeatedly selecting, combining, and mutating these solutions to find the best one. In this case, the genetic algorithm takes into consideration various constraints like venue availability, lecturer schedules, and course requirements. It then evolves a timetable that optimally fits all these constraints. This approach significantly reduces the chance of conflicts and errors that are common with manual scheduling. Now, once a timetable is generated, a user might want to change a thing or two about it, right? So here are more features that the software offers. So a user is able to view the timetable based on level. The user is able to edit the timetable. So let's say I want to change the venue for this. I can simply click on it and pick a different venue. The user is able to also move it to a different time. So I can move this to 8. But as a user is editing the timetable, there's a chance that there might be a clash. So in this case, if I change this venue to this, Now this shows red, which indicates like this is clashing with this, right? So now that means I'll have to change this to a different event. And once you are satisfied with the look of the timetable, you can simply click on print, and then you can print our timetable. And a user is also able to export. So this export the timetable to an Excel file for further editing. Looking ahead, there are several exciting possibilities for enhancing this timetable generator, such as interdepartmental integration, allowing multiple departments to collaborate on shared timetables, drag and drop functionality, adding a more intuitive way to manually adjust timetables by simply dragging and dropping items. We can also add Google Calendar synchronization, enabling seamless integration with Google Calendar so students and lecturers can automatically sync their schedules. These features will further improve the tool's functionality, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. However, it is important to note that this current version serves as a proof of concept, demonstrating the core idea and laying the groundwork for future enhancements. Thank you for watching.